Energy juices to have energy all day. As my dear YouTube friends are in this opportunity, we will talk about how to stay energized throughout the day so our routine is very strong. Energy juices are one of the best foods to acquire energy and improve diet. In this article I will leave you a list of types of juices that will help you recharge your energies and feel better. We all have felt at some point in our lives moments of depression and fatigue. Something common if we stick today to the kind of stressful and energetic life that is needed to end each day the day. In this way, if with the diet we carry out we are not able to maintain the tone, it would be advisable to handle other types of dietary possibilities such as juices can be a clear example. These have the quality of concentrating various foods, together with their proteins in small simple glasses. They are taken quickly and enjoyably after their rapid creation. Food needed for energy. Sugars. One of the greatest sources of energy that we can find in the world of food due to its composition, which makes our body absorb them quickly and immediately. Which foods contain the highest levels of sugar? Apart from refined sugars, we mainly find fruits, although we also see some types of vegetables. Fat. With a longer time of absorption, they work hand in hand with our body in the long term. They work as a supply of provisions that is installed in our system. They are like reserves from which our body pulls when it is lacking in energy. These are found in a wide variety of foods, among which we observe a wide range of meats, nuts, and of course, butter. Carbohydrates. Like fats, his work focuses on long-term views. They burn more slowly than sugars. If you want to eat carbohydrates, do not hesitate to take cereals, dairy, legumes, nuts, and all kinds of pasta. Juices for energy. 1. Coconut water juice. This juice will be rich in potassium since its main element will be the water that comes out of the coconut. To this we will add honey and seaweed, which is rich in large amounts of proteins. Amino acids, potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B to get a drink that, in addition to possessing high doses of energy, will give us a flavor at least curious and of course tasty. 2. Orange and flax juice. For its preparation we will need to squeeze first, a total of 5 oranges. Then we add 3 tablespoons of flax oil and half a cup of cold water. 3. Papaya, orange, and lemon juice. First we must crush to create an orange juice. This simple drink we will finish it with an addition of the game of a quarter of papaya and 3 lemons. This may vary depending on the acidity we want to give our liquid. We will absorb the sugar in a more calm and leisurely way, ending this way with our appetite. As for the nutrients that will bring us is potassium, magnesium, vitamin B, and folic acid, essential in the fight against anemia and different problems related to the pregnancy of women. 4. Yogurt, raspberry, and almond smoothie. Its preparation is completely ideal, besides providing energy, for women with menopause. Since almonds are a main source of combat against osteoporosis. But, if we want the effect to emerge we will have to mix for about 30 seconds. Half a cup of skimmed natural yogurt, half a cup of skimmed milk, half a cup of raspberries and a teaspoon of crushed almonds. 5. Apple and carrot juice. We will need to crush a full carrot in a blender next to half an apple. To finish we will add a small cup of soy milk. We will separate an egg yolk from its clear and we will add a spoonful of honey to obtain the desired result. 6. Strawberry and raspberry juice combined with milk or yogurt. One of the most pleasant without doubt on the palate, and of course, sweeter. To obtain it we will have to crush 250 grams of strawberries. Having previously extracted the leaf, with 10 raspberries to add 115 milliliters of milk or yogurt to the personal taste. Personally, yogurt gives a creamier touch that milk does not have, brightening its intake in broad strokes. 7. Orange, banana, and strawberry smoothie. Although a priori the combination seems strange, it should be noted that it has an incredibly good taste. If we want to carry it out successfully, it is enough to add a little soy milk, with 125 grams of strawberries and a banana, to the blender first. And finally we acquired the result to grate a little orange on its surface, finishing the combination to receive results such as better digestion. a decrease in blood pressure and help satiate us in a more complete way. 8. Banana and chocolate juice. Along with the doses of potassium presented by the banana we find chrome, a mineral that metabolizes cholesterol, fats, and different proteins. This unique chocolate is translated as an important energy contribution to perform activities, especially physical. Its preparation is based on heating milk until it boils to add chocolate waiting for its smelting. On the other hand, we are liquefying the banana, to which we will add the milk next to the chocolate. We beat it and ready to drink. 9. Oatmeal, honey, and banana smoothie. Easy to make, you should only put a small cup of skimmed milk in a blender. Another oatmeal with half a banana or one whole as you like, while a spoonful of honey that finishes sweetening our tasty smoothie. 10. Banana and walnut smoothie. Thanks to the great properties of the nut, of which we have already spoken on many occasions in life, makes this combination one of the most effective. By drinking this, we will increase the level of antioxidation and protein in our body, as well as an addition of polyphenols. Its preparation is based on the placement of a banana in milk with 3 nuts to liquefy everything in its entirety. Also, if you prefer, you can add a couple of cookies to accompany this tasty smoothie. Undoubtedly one of the drinks that more facilities will give us when receiving energy. 11. Strawberry and oatmeal smoothie. Without a doubt, one of the liquids that can give us more energy in our day-to-day. Its intake is basically focused on whether it is physical activity, or not. It contains low levels of fat, in contrast to proteins, with a high percentage. It even helps the little ones to grow in a more correct way, being rich in a multitude of minerals such as sodium, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, or iron, among many others. If we talk about oats, it should be noted that it effectively fights against cholesterol, in addition to making us satisfy ourselves in a much more complete way. However, its preparation is a bit more complex than expected. For its formation, it is made with a liqueur consisting of 3/4 of strawberries and 1/4 of banana. To this we will add oatmeal and honey. Finally, when presenting and serving, it would be advisable to add a little oatmeal sprinkled. Well, my dear YouTube friends, I hope this information gives you an idea of what we should take to perform on a very heavy day without neglecting our health. If you like, do not stop giving it to me and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and as always I will ask for your support so that you can share all my videos with your friends and family. Do not forget to thank God for every little thing that He gives them each day, for the breath of each morning, for having a roof to sleep on, food on our table, a family with whom to share our best and worst moments, health and work, and in 1,000 things that we just let go day by day, without realizing how much God loves us and how much He gives us each day. I leave you a big hug and a million blessings. See you in the second part with more energy juice recipes.